Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, the situation is dynamic today anyway. It's an exciting day with potential ETF approval or decline coming. So let's all hope for the approval, because I think that is at least to a degree priced in. I think another delay or even declining them could lead to a substantial pullback, maybe even a small market crash. We'll see how that all turns out, but yeah, I prefer obviously an approval. I think most people do, and the problem is I think that's mostly priced in. Yeah, that's mostly priced in, so we may not see significant movements, maybe rather positive, but I think what we can say with, I don't want to say certainty, but yeah, if there is a decline or delay, I think it won't be positive for the market. And however, we're looking at the structure here. LINK is in the pullback zone or dipped already into the zone, saw a reaction for the second time. The first time happened here on the 17th of November. And the low could surely be in. I mean, we have a very nice ABC structure, A, B, C. But the situation isn't quite clear on the micro level because we're not dealing with an impulse. So maybe we could get another low. To be honest, I would prefer another low, maybe targeting the ascending trend line here. But yeah, we have, what is more relevant than the micro count is the support range. What is more important than do we get another low in wave 5 is, do we actually hold support at $9.75? Because that's the critical support level. So any break below the 50% retracement level would suggest a more bearish outcome. Until then, I expect another wave to the upside, a wave 5, possibly targeting $21 plus. There is a way of counting this as, an A, B, C structure with the C wave unfolding right now. In the C wave, we are dealing with an ending diagonal. And in this ending diagonal, the wave 4 might currently be unfolding with one more low to come. However, the wave 4 is already moving up quite a bit. So if there is a break above the last high, which I call the B wave high of wave 3, and that's at $14.80, $14.85, then the yellow count has a chance. And that would be the direct breakout count that could send the price higher, obviously, in wave 5. To be honest, it is probably rather 5 waves in wave A of 5. Just realize that now, because we're dealing with a diagonal pattern, right? So I would rather say A, B, C. That looks better as well. You might ask why, because we're dealing here with a diagonal pattern to the upside. So it's rather this 5 waves in A or 3. We'll see how that develops. A wave A can be a 3 or a 5 wave move. But yeah, this is sort of roughly that. I just put it on the chart as a roadmap to indicate, right, if we hold the low that formed on Monday and see a break above the last swing high, the yellow count has a chance. Until then, I would primarily watch for another low, possibly targeting the next Fibonacci support, which is at $11.05, or the ascending trend line, which is basically the lower boundary line of the ascending trend channel within which this diagonal pattern is moving. So that's how I see this. And yeah, I think support is clear. Next target is clear. One more low is expected until we break above the round about $14.80 level, so that B wave high. And next resistances. So there is one very important resistance on the chart. It's the $18.30 level, which is this, I think it was June 22, no, earlier, March 22, April 22 swing high. And then there was a high in this region before in February 22. And the price did find support around the December 2021 lows in that region. So we'll see. And then, interesting, the next resistance afterwards will be at $28, but that's easier 2x from here. So let's first focus on, okay, what's happening here? Have we seen the low or not? And then we can talk further once we finally break out. So bullish outcome pretty much is expected. And as long as the $9.75 level is holding, another 5th wave is what I'm watching for. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.